Hello Wolfies, what's up guys? It's Wolf Lovis here, back with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Cardano. I'm also going to show you how to sell Cardano. So this is going to be the best Cardano buy and sell tutorial on YouTube due to the fact that I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016 and I have been buying like cryptocurrencies left and right, and I've been selling and trading and all this stuff, so I'm really familiar with exchanges, and that's why I recommend Binance. Okay, Binance is the best and the biggest cryptocurrency exchange right now, and I absolutely love it. So if you still haven't signed up on Binance, you can find it on description. You can save 20%. Okay, so go there and sign up. It's free to sign up, and let's go. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in minutes. Okay, but the first thing that I want to share with you now that you have signed up on Binance is that whenever you sign up on Binance, you will be automatically given like wallets. Okay, I want to quickly show this to you. So you will be given wallets, and I have any Cardano here? No, I don't. But whenever you buy cryptocurrencies, for example Cardano, it will show up here in your wallet. Okay, so that's where it will show up. And now to buy Cardano, all you have to do is go to buy crypto. It shows euro to me because I'm in Europe now, and you can pay with bank deposit, credit, debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. Out of these five, I have used Simplex, bank deposit, and credit and debit card. Those three, but I highly recommend you to use debit and credit card because that's the easiest one. Like, it's straight up very easy and very fast. Okay, so all you have to do is go to here and click the coin, and when you type in Cardano, you can see, okay, you can't buy Cardano straight up with your credit card. And that's the thing in cryptocurrencies. You can't buy everything with your credit card. These are the cryptocurrencies that you can buy with credit card on Binance currently. And what you basically have to do is when you see like, okay, you can't buy now Cardano with straight up with your credit card, you go to trade and you go to classic. Okay, so this is the exchange. And when you go to here and type in Cardano, sorry, not Cardano, ADA, you can see that ADA has different pairings. So Euro, Ethereum, Binance Coin, USDT, BTC, TUSDT, USDC. Okay, so you can buy any of these and then trade that cryptocurrency into Cardano. Okay, sounds good. So that's very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's say that you are going to trade Bitcoin for Cardano. Okay, that's the easiest route. So all you have to do is go to buy crypto, then go to credit and debit card. Then first buy a Bitcoin, select Bitcoin and buy some Bitcoin, however much you want to buy. Then just type in how much you want to buy. It will automatically calculate it in euro currency, for example USD if you are in United States, and so on. And then you just click buy BTC and go through the simple steps here. Okay, now after that you will get your Bitcoin and it will show up in your wallet. Okay, after you buy it, you will see the Bitcoin instantly in your wallet right here. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now to trade that Bitcoin into ADA, go to trade again and classic and search for ADA, and here you have ADA/BTC. Click that, and okay, here you can see sell orders, and here you can see buy orders. Okay, so you obviously want to buy ADA, so here is where you want to be at, and you can do a limit order, basically meaning that if you think that the price is, for example, going to go lower, you can put the limit order here, so it will buy when it goes lower. But I just usually market buy, so click here market, so that means that it will automatically take the lowest price, so you will automatically get the lowest price at the moment and it will buy instantly. So that's what I like to do. After that, you click after you click market buy, you just select how much ADA you want to buy. Okay, so for example, if you put 100%, you are selling all of the Bitcoin that you have and trading that into Cardano ADA. Okay, you can like trade 50% of your Bitcoins or 30%, whatever you want. Okay, after you have selected how much ADA you want to buy, just click buy ADA and the trade will execute instantly. And after that, when you go back to your wallet, the ADA will Cardano will show up right here on your wallet. Okay, so that's how you buy any cryptocurrency. Okay, so that's pretty easy, and the cryptocurrency will show up right here. The Cardano will show up right here. Okay, so now if you want to, for example, sell the ADA, you can go to back to trade and classic, and then type in again ADA. So here I have, so I'm in Europe, so I can sell ADA for euros. Okay, so but if you're in USD, you can sell ADA for USD if you want to cash out, or you can even start trading ADA to different currencies. Okay, so that's how you can sell and buy Cardano on Binance in 2021. Okay, so that's the tutorial, and be sure to watch the price prediction video on Cardano that I did. You can find it in the pinned comment. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos, and see you in the next one. Okay, so see you soon.